Our trailer has a 30 amp hookup. At this site, we have 30 amp, 50 amp, and 20 amp. It's a good idea to buy some of these dog bones or adapters. If you have a 30 amp trailer, if something is wrong with the 30 amp breaker or the 30 amp plug, you can use your 50 amp to 30 amp adapter and plug it into the 50 amp and then plug your trailer into the 30 amp. It's not a bad idea to have as a backup. Some sites that you get to might not have 30 or 50 and they might only have 20. So there's also a 20 amp to 30 amp adapter which you would also be able to use in case the 30 amp was not working. You would still have this option. With this option here, we are able to run our air conditioner, but you probably wouldn't be able to run everything like the water heater and the microwave all at one time. But these are not a bad idea to have as an option.